Hello, this is Prince George Ford coming at you, and today we're looking at the 2024 Ford Escape Active. Coming in this nice white coloring, this vehicle is going to be powered by the 1.5-liter EcoBoost engine, has all-wheel drive capabilities, and comes equipped with the cold weather package. Taking a look at the back here, we got a dual exhaust, backup camera, roof spoiler, some nice silver and black trim along this vehicle with blind spot detection. We do get a remote start with this vehicle, which is perfect for the cold winter months. License plate bracket, and that nice Ford grille. This vehicle does come equipped with a powered liftgate, which you can open on the key fob, the button up there, or button by the driver's side, which provides you with tons of storage. You can collapse your last row if you need additional storage as well. We have a 12-volt and a hook right there, and of course you do get some storage below with a spare tire. To close, all you have to do is just hit that button right there, and it will close automatically for you. Taking a look in the back here, we can see this vehicle does save to 5 pretty comfortably. We have this nice black cloth interior, adjustable rear seats. You have cloth floor mats, carpet interior, cup holders and storage in the back with rear vents, 2 USB-Cs, and of course you can fold this down for cup holders and arm space. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see here we have a power driver's seat with the same cloth interior we saw in the back there. Plenty of door space up front, powered windows, mirrors, locks, liftgate and lights, all on your left-hand side. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see the odometer sitting at 69,384 kilometers. We get this nice leather-wrapped heated steering wheel, toggle-free screen, phone and media, volume, voice, and cruise control. Looking here, we got a digital speedometer. We got My View, Trip and Feel, Status Info, Vehicle Maintenance, Audio, Phone, and other settings. To my right, we got our gear select, parking brake, auto hold, drive modes, auto stop, auto start, with cup holders, storage, 12 volts, and outlets. We do get your storage underneath as well, which is pretty handy. Dual climate up front with heated front seats and heated steering wheel, hazards, and media controls. Storage below. And here we got our infotainment system, which has audio, compass, and phone. For your audio, you do get AM, FM, Bluetooth, and SiriusXM. We got your phone controls, so you can see it's been previously connected and connect the phone. Any apps you may have downloaded will show up right here with the Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, settings, and your features of the vehicle. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is B8122, and you can head on down to PG Ford or give us a call.